Welcome everyone. We're thrilled to have you here today. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed in the world of real estate wholesaling. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive 8-minute journey on how to wholesale real estate step by step. Wholesaling real estate is a fantastic way to get started in the property market without needing a lot of capital up front. It's all about finding great deals and connecting buyers and sellers, making a profit in the process. This method allows you to leverage your negotiation skills and market knowledge to create win-win situations for all parties involved. We'll kick things off with some top-notch real estate techniques from the expert himself, Ramon Preston. Ramon has years of experience in the industry and has successfully closed numerous deals. He'll be sharing his insights on how to identify lucrative opportunities, negotiate effectively, and close deals efficiently. His strategies are tried and tested, and they can help you navigate the complexities of the real estate market with confidence. Ramon will also discuss common pitfalls to avoid and how to build a network of reliable contacts that can support your wholesaling business. And remember, for more insights, don't forget to check out my real estate course linked below. This course is designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge and practical skills that you can apply immediately. It covers everything from market analysis and property evaluation to contract negotiation and deal closing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this course has something valuable to offer. Additionally, the course includes real-life case studies and interactive modules to help you grasp the concepts better and apply them in real-world scenarios. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, as we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue to create high-quality content that empowers you to achieve your real estate goals. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll dive deeper into various aspects of real estate investing, share success stories, and provide actionable tips to help you succeed. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and make your real estate dreams a reality. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore advanced strategies, interview successful wholesalers, and answer your most pressing questions. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of real estate enthusiasts. Let's delve deeper into the world of real estate wholesaling. Throughout this video, I'll guide you through each critical step, all initially introduced by our real estate expert, Ramon Preston. Stick around until the end for more valuable resources. And of course, if you find this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to help us reach our goal of 20,000 subscribers. In this segment, we hone in on the expert techniques provided by Ramon Preston. Ramon has been a leading figure in the real estate industry for over 2 decades. With a wealth of experience and a deep understanding of market dynamics, he has consistently stayed ahead of the curve. Today, he will be sharing some of his most effective strategies that have been proven to work in various market conditions, ensuring success. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these insights are invaluable. These strategies are essential for mastering real estate wholesaling. Ramon will walk us through the process step by step, from identifying potential deals to negotiating with sellers and closing the sale successfully. He will also delve into the nuances of market analysis, helping you understand how to spot trends and make informed decisions. Additionally, Ramon will share tips on building strong relationships with sellers and buyers, which is crucial for long-term success in the industry. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to provide high-quality content. Stay tuned for more expert tips and strategies from Ramon Preston and other industry leaders. We have a lot more in store for you, including in-depth interviews, case studies, and practical advice that you can apply immediately. Until next time, happy investing and good luck. Remember, the key to success in real estate is continuous learning and adaptation. As we conclude our detailed guide on wholesaling real estate, we hope that the information provided has been both enlightening and practical. Wholesaling can be a complex yet rewarding venture, and our goal was to break down the process into manageable steps for you, making it easier to understand. We aim to demystify the various aspects of wholesaling, from finding potential deals to closing them successfully. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you should feel more confident in your ability to navigate the wholesaling landscape. I hope you found the insights from Ramon Preston invaluable. His years of experience and expertise in the field offer a wealth of knowledge that can help you navigate the intricacies of real estate wholesaling. Ramon's tips and strategies are designed to give you a competitive edge in the market, ensuring your success. His practical advice, drawn from real-world experiences, can help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. Remember, learning from seasoned professionals like Ramon can significantly shorten your learning curve and set you on the path to success much faster. For further learning, be sure to explore my real estate course available below. This course delves deeper into the nuances of wholesaling, providing you with advanced techniques and insider secrets that can significantly boost your success rate. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, there's always something new to learn and apply. The course is designed to be comprehensive, covering everything from market analysis to negotiation tactics, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. Additionally, the course includes interactive elements such as quizzes and case studies to reinforce your learning and provide practical applications of the concepts discussed. Thank you so much for watching. Your engagement and support mean the world to us. We strive to create content that is not only informative but also engaging and easy to understand. Your feedback helps us improve and tailor our future videos to better meet your needs and expectations. We are committed to providing high-quality educational resources that empower you to achieve your real estate goals. Your continued support motivates us to keep producing valuable content, and we are grateful for your trust in our expertise. And remember, your likes, comments, and subscribing help us grow and reach more viewers like you. By engaging with our content, you enable us to continue providing high-quality, free education resources. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. We love hearing from you and value your input. Your interaction not only helps us improve, but also fosters a sense of community among viewers. We encourage you to connect with fellow real estate enthusiasts in the comments, share your experiences, and learn from each other. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and every bit of support counts. Reaching this milestone will allow us to expand our content offerings and bring you even more valuable insights and tutorials. You subscribing is a vote of confidence in our mission to educate and empower real estate enthusiasts everywhere. As we grow, we plan to introduce new series and Q&A sessions to address your most pressing questions. Your support is crucial in helping us achieve these goals and continue to provide top-notch content. And every bit of support counts. We are building a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about real estate. Together, we can learn, grow, and achieve our investment goals. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and happy wholesaling. We look forward to bringing you more in-depth guides, success stories, and expert interviews to keep you informed and inspired. Remember, the journey to real estate success is a marathon, not a sprint, and we're here to support you every step of the way.